So we had a problem right here in the profile when we like try to create a new post, okay, something, and then post, the information of the profile disappears, and that means there is something with the action that we run. Okay, so right here, if we go back to the quiz post pop-up, we run this action, which is the profile post, to update the profile, but only update the post, not the whole profile. So if we go back to the reducers, right here, the profile reducer, let me open that. So this function, we run this action, which is profile post. What we did right here is spread the states again, and the state is simply the loading and also the error and then the profile. So that means we actually don't update the profile, but we just spread the state. So to update the profile exactly, we're gonna spread the state dot profile. So that means right here, we're gonna have in the profile, the value of it is gonna be in the profile itself, okay, and not everything. And then in the post, we're gonna update it. That's how you update an object normally, okay. So my bad, probably if you had this problem before, you probably didn't know how to solve it. This is how you do, or if you did, then good for you, okay. So let me click post. This is gonna be created and everything is fine. Just show you everything is cool, and then post. Okay, we're gonna have the post and everything stays the same. So let me remove some of them. Okay, everything is still fine. Okay, like that. So now, as we are here fixing errors, let me open the console and see if we have anything. Okay, so this is just warnings for the key. We can add it in the friends and also in the post. Okay, I know where they are. So I'm gonna go, let me close everything right here, go back to the friends, and then we map through the friend right here. Okay, but we didn't add any key. You can add the key, just the ID of the friend, or maybe you can just get the index. I prefer that. And then right here, the key is gonna be the index, like that. And then go back to the post. Okay, and right here exactly, when we map through the React, we show the images, but we didn't add any key. So we have the index right here, so key, and it's gonna be the index, like that. So now let me go right here, and everything is gonna be fine. So let me refresh. Okay, everything is fine. So now I can go to the home and see again if we have any problem with the home. Okay, everything seems fine. So we don't have any problems neither in the profile or the home, and that's very good to hear. Okay, so let's see what we have next.